In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete watch history on YouTube. This will clean up your viewing record so past videos no longer shape your recommendations and no one else on this computer can casually scroll through what you watched. First, go to YouTube. Open your usual web browser, then in the address bar at the top, type youtube.com and press enter. The page loads with the YouTube logo in the top left, a big search bar across the top, and a menu running down the left side. If the site opens in a different language than you expect, do not worry. The layout is still the same and the buttons stay in the same places. Now, make sure you sign into your account. Look at the top right corner of the page. If you see your profile picture or your initials in a circle, you are already signed in and can stay on this page. If you instead see a blue sign in button, click that. The screen changes to a Google sign-in page where you can choose your account or type your email and password. When you finish and YouTube reloads, you will again see the homepage, but now your profile picture shows at the top right. That picture confirms the history you changed belongs to the correct account. Next, click History in the left menu. On the left side of the YouTube homepage, find the vertical list with items like Home, Shorts, and Subscriptions. Scroll slightly if needed until you see History with an icon that looks like a clock. Click the word History. The main part of the screen changes to a page titled History, and you will see a list of videos you watched, each with a thumbnail, title, and channel name. On the right side, there is a small panel with extra history controls. If you do not see the full menu on the left, click the three horizontal lines at the very top left to expand it. Then History will appear. From here, click Clear All Watch History. On the History page, look over to the panel on the right. You will see options related to managing your YouTube history. Find the text that says Clear All Watch History and click it once. The background behind the site becomes slightly dim, and a small confirmation box pops up in the center of the screen. This box explains that all your YouTube watch history for this account will be cleared from all devices where you are signed in. Finally, confirm to delete your watch history. In the confirmation box, click the button that approves clearing your history. Right after you click, the box closes, and the list of videos in your watch history becomes empty or almost empty on this page. That means every item that was listed there is removed from your YouTube watch history, and future recommendations will no longer use those past views. You just wiped your YouTube watch history on this computer for your signed-in account, so please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more clear fixes like this.